Metro Manila today was a little bit warm. Based for Pagasa Weather Station here in Quezon City, the highest temperature recorded today reaching up to 35 degrees Celsius at 3 this afternoon. Early this evening, thunderstorms were reported over portions of Pampanga, Tarlac, and Zambales area. It lasted for about 2 hours. Good evening. Here is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Thursday, June 6. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, or ITZZ, is getting more active as it widens, affecting Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao. Tomorrow, Bicol region and the eastern Visayas will experience cloudy skies with moderate, occasionally heavy rains and thunderstorms, which may trigger flash floods and landslides. While Calabarzon, Mimaropa, and the rest of Visayas and Mindanao will have cloudy skies with light to moderate rain showers and thunderstorms. Here in Metro Manila and the rest of Luzon will experience partly cloudy skies with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, mostly in the afternoon or evening. Light to moderate winds blowing from the east to southeast will prevail over northern and central Luzon and coming from the east to northeast over the rest of the country. Throughout the archipelago will be slight to moderate. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, or ITZZ, is known by sailors as the doldrums, is the area encircling the Earth near the equator where the northeast and southeast trade winds come together. The ITZZ appears as a band of clouds, usually forming thunderstorms that circle the globe near the equator. We better watch out for the next few days because the ITZZ is becoming more active where storms or typhoons may form within the ITZZ. Today, Lawag and Puerto Princesa City recorded a high of 34 and 32 degrees Celsius respectively. And here are the expected temperatures for tomorrow from selected cities around the country. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:26 in the morning and sunset will be at 23 minutes past 6 in the evening. And for our astronomy video of the day, this is a time-lapse video of a noctilucent clouds in motion. The northern season for noctilucent clouds is underway. Since the middle of May, NASA's Ames spacecraft has been seeking banks of electric blue circling Earth's north polar on a regular basis. Now, observers report that the clouds are spreading south. Pete Lawrence of Solsay, UK, photographed this operation on June 3. Noctilucent clouds, or NLC, form near the top of Earth's polar atmosphere when water vapor from the Earth mixes with meteor debris from space. They appear during summer, that is when the mesosphere is coldest and most humid. And that is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Wednesday, June 6. For Newslife, this is Edmond Rosales giving you the latest weather update. Clear skies be with you always.